What's going on YouTube? It's your bro, so me Beast. I want to bring it back to you guys live. And as you guys can see from the title, I'm going to be showing you guys how to get ringtones straight to your iOS device, no computer. You're going to need Cydia. So the first thing you guys are going to want to do is go to Cydia. Once that loads up, you're going to want to go to sources and add this source. Once you've done that, go ahead and click on it. Click all packages and click easier ringtones. Okay. Then you guys are going to want to make sure you guys have installed AppCake, any of those, and AppSync unified, this one. Okay. Once you've done that, go into AppCake. Oops. Forgot what it's called. You can't do it from the App Store. Oh yeah, that's because it's on an updated version. Okay. Oop. Man, I can't spell. No. Okay. This right here, click Get, go to Manage, and you will see downloading, and let it download. Okay, so I think it is installed. Okay, so go ahead and just open it up. Alright, so now you guys are going to want to click on the three arrows, like the three lines. Click it. Go to ringtones. And you have all these, like this one. Okay, so if you want to download it, just click on it. And then click save ringtone. But click this, click save ringtone, and it's going to save it. And then if we go to settings, go to sounds, ringtone. You should see, now it doesn't work for like every time, but majority of the time it does. Let's try it again. Okay, it says tone. Okay, let's try a different one. Let's try this one. Click save. And save. Okay, that one's not working either.
I'm sorry.
What the hell? Okay. One more time. Okay. My goodness, now why are none of them working? Let's do this. Oh, yeah. Here we go. That's gonna be my new ringtone. Text or no? Guess. Let's see if the other ones have come in yet. And it saves it by the name, so look for the name of what it's called. So yeah. So let's try. I guess this one again. Sure. I think this one's funny. This one's dope. That's dope. Try this again. Did not mean to click on that. And if you guys are saying click this, this is not it. That one's not it. But yeah, you guys basically get it. I'll look one more time. Let's change this back. Wrong one. Yeah, if you guys enjoyed this video, smack the hell out of that like button. Oh wow, they have 3D touch. Actually. It didn't work, did it? Jeez. Okay. If you guys enjoyed this video and you guys want me to make like a tweak video of like how I got this home screen, everything I'm using, then leave a like on the video and comment down below saying you want to see like this stuff. But yeah, if you enjoyed the video, smack the hell out of that like button. YouTube, we'll see you back later.